Add your Bingx referral link. Hello fans of the Bingx cryptocurrency exchange. Today we'll dive deep into the world of crypto trading and explore the innovative features that Bingx has to offer. Get ready to level up your trading game and unlock the secrets to maximizing your profits. Before we begin, I want to share an exclusive opportunity with you. If you're new to Bingx, you can use the referral code 911 during registration to receive special bonuses and perks. Don't miss out on this chance to kickstart your crypto journey with a valuable advantage. Now, let's dive into the exciting world of Bingx and discover what makes it stand out in the crowded crypto exchange landscape. Bingx is a cutting-edge cryptocurrency exchange that caters to both novice and experienced traders. Founded in 2018, the platform has quickly gained popularity for its user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, and a wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. One of the standout features of Bingx is its commitment to providing a secure and transparent trading environment. The exchange employs industry-leading security measures, including cold storage for the majority of user funds, multi-signature wallets, and advanced encryption protocols. This ensures that your digital assets are protected from potential threats and unauthorized access. In addition to security, Bingx prioritizes user experience by offering a sleek and intuitive trading interface. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, the platform's clean and customizable layout makes it easy to navigate and execute trades with precision. The exchange also offers a mobile app, allowing you to access your account and manage your portfolio on the go. One of the most exciting features of Bingx is its social trading platform, which enables users to connect, share trading ideas, and learn from experienced traders. This community-driven approach fosters collaboration and knowledge sharing, empowering traders to make informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve. Bingx also offers a variety of trading tools and features designed to enhance your trading experience. These include advanced charting tools, real-time market data, and a comprehensive educational resources section. Whether you're looking to fine-tune your technical analysis skills or gain a deeper understanding of cryptocurrency fundamentals, Bingx has you covered. Another noteworthy aspect of Bingx is its commitment to offering a diverse range of cryptocurrencies. The exchange supports popular coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, as well as a growing list of promising altcoins and emerging projects. This variety allows traders to diversify their portfolios and explore new investment opportunities as the crypto market continues to evolve. In terms of trading options, Bingx offers both spot and futures trading. Spot trading allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies at the current market price, while futures trading enables you to speculate on the future price movements of digital assets. Additionally, the exchange offers margin trading, which allows traders to leverage their positions and potentially increase their profits while also increasing their risk. To ensure a fair and transparent trading environment, Bingx employs robust risk management systems and adheres to strict anti-money laundering (AML) and Know Your Customer (KYC) policies. These measures help protect traders from market manipulation and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. Bingx also stands out for its commitment to innovation and continuous improvement. The exchange regularly releases updates and new features to enhance the trading experience and keep up with the rapidly evolving crypto landscape. Whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or just starting your journey, Bingx offers a comprehensive and user-friendly platform to buy, sell, and trade digital assets with confidence. With its focus on security, user experience, and innovation, Bingx is quickly becoming a go-to destination for traders seeking a reliable and feature-rich exchange. Remember, if you're new to Bingx, don't forget to use the referral code 911 during registration to receive special bonuses and perks. This code will give you a head start on your trading journey and unlock exclusive benefits. So, what are you waiting for? Join the Bingx community today and start exploring the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading. Visit their website or download the mobile app to get started. And as always, stay informed, stay vigilant, and happy trading.